In this video, I will show you how to say TikTok password if you forgot it. Even though you cannot directly find the password in the TikTok app itself, but there is a way around. So on your Android phone, open the Gmail app and click on your profile photo or the initial in the top right corner. And from the menu that appears, click on Manage your Google account. And once you're inside the Google account menu, swipe left and click on Security tab. Now, once you're in the Security tab, scroll all the way down until you see Password Manager option. Now, this section stores passwords and save through Chrome or Android's autosave feature. Now, in the Password Manager, scroll down and look for TikTok. If you have saved your TikTok password here, it will appear in the result. When you tap on TikTok, Google will ask you for a verification method like your fingerprint or phone passcode. So complete the authentication process. After verification, you will be able to view your TikTok username and password. Now you can copy this password by clicking on this icon, and that's how you can see the password.